Hi, today in front of me Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click here to OK and go back. Then tap to switch input method and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.